Hello guys, I am Sarah Delantar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss to you what is the function and procedures in VB.net. So first, we're gonna click this toolbox so we can select. We need to click this so we can choose what buttons or what in VB forms. So we need to click toolbox so we can choose whatever or what design we're going to use. For example, I am going to use buttons. Just double click so we can make a design button. So here, the button, if you click this, you already have a code. And now we are here in this section. So I am going to create a procedure, also known as a sub-procedure. Just have to type a private sub, name CL or calculate. So now I am going to type theme for declaration and grade for variable as integer. So integer equals textbox dot text textbox1 rather. Since we have here both or input a text box, we now go to designs, to our designs. So we need to click and select here the text box tool. Text box tool. So we now have our text box. So we can proceed or go to our statements. So here is text box 1. So we're going to write or to put an F statement. So in this tutorial, I am going to make a grade system, like for example 89, that can choose if you are passed or failed. Text box 2 text box 2A. So since we don't have text box 2, let's go to design and choose text box, so we can have a text box 2, but you can put it there, there. So this is our text box 2. Let's proceed to the statement. We already have a text box 2. Sorry. So I'll continue that. Continue the codings. 49 is my condition. Then text box 2. Text box 2. That text is equals to B. Else text box 2. That text is equals to F. So we just put a parameter there. We call it variable A as integer. So that's it. So after put, so we need to call a sub procedure text box 1 that text. So we're done with our procedures, and let's try if our statements or codes is working. Like for example, if we put there in text box 1 an integer or a number, so if 25, we put 25, just click the button, what will happen? So failed, because in the statement, if grade is greater than 49, then, or if grade is greater than 89, your grade will be A. If your grade is greater than 89, then your grade will be A. And if your grade is greater than 49, then your grade will be B. Else, if your grade is lower than 49, you will be graded F. So since we put 25 in our examples, so the result will be F. Since we are done now in our procedure, we can now proceed to a function. So as a code of our functions, since we are done now in our procedure, let's now proceed to our function. So this will be the code of our function. So since we now have a function, the CL text box 1. This time, since we all have now a code of function, we can now delete this because this is for the procedure, and change it by fastbuild for our functions. So let's try if it is working. So there's an error. So let's try if our function is working. So let's try 90. The result will be A. So this is now our functions and procedure. So that's all for today, and thank you guys for watching.